buddy? All right, we gonna be quiet. Okay. It's gonna be fun. All right. First turkey hunt of the year. You excited, Sawyer? Yep, we're being nice and quiet. Taking it easy. We had a long walk in, a little chilly, a little windy. We've already had a few snacks. And we're ready to see a gobbler. All right. Daddy just called. Now Sawyer wants to call. Oh, there's some wood ducks. Just heard a bunch of geese. Yep. Do it right in the area where it's scratched. I'm pretty good, buddy. That's pretty good. Hey, high five. Good job. That was awesome. 3-year-old turkey hunting is the best. Let's see if one gobbles from your call. Let's see. You think one's gonna gobble? They can just pop up anytime, so we gotta be ready to be really quiet and really, really still.
Not me.
All right. So it's 7:30. And how many turkeys have we seen?
One.
Well, just the decoy.
Uh.
Just the decoy.
I say, yes,
So we've called one time, and we haven't heard one yet. But we've heard one person shoot. So maybe they're moving. I just heard a turkey, buddy.
Daddy, come here, geese.
Huh?
Here, geese.
I thought I heard a hen, and Sawyer told me I hear geese. We're hearing mostly geese and wood ducks. But there's got to be a turkey around somewhere, right, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if y'all can hear it, but we got a white-eyed vireo right out the window. Must be... Oh, there it went. You see it, buddy? What's our plan? What do you want to do?
Okay. You do a call, and I shoot.
Okay, so I call and you shoot the turkey. Is that right?
No, I call and you shoot turkey.
Okay, you call and I shoot. That works.
I'll do my gun. We'll use my gun if you want to.
Okay, thank you. That's a good deal. You gonna shake on it?
Well, this is a big old suck.
That one's stuck?
That little suck.
Did the tractor pull it out?
No, it's sideways.
Oh no.
Knock it back. Look.
All right, turkey hunting voices. Turkey hunting voices. That's good, buddy. All right, that's good. I don't need to call too much.
Why?
We'll get quiet and see if they come in now.
Daddy, get ready to shoot.
Get ready to shoot, yeah. That was a good call. Yep, look out in the field. You see anything, buddy?
Not that.
Okay, shh, 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 shh.
Not that.
Not yet.
I need to call.
Need to call? Yeah, let's give it a few more minutes, then we'll call, okay? There you go. I'll hold it. You scratch on it. Good job, buddy.
Wow, they'll hear it easily.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know my ABC. That's how you know everything would be.
So we had a big old time. We didn't see any turkeys. We didn't hear any. But we were patient and we were quiet. We heard a bunch of cool birds, bunch of geese, bunch of wood ducks.
And one woodpecker.
One woodpecker, white-eyed vireo, cardinal, doves, brown-headed cowbirds, which we don't like. But yeah, bunch of cool stuff. Had a big old time. Saw some squirrels around the blind. It's 10 o'clock. We got a birthday party to go to at 11 o'clock. So we're going to leave, but we're going to try again in the morning.
Uh-huh.
See you later.